Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Today I am giving you an assignment. It is your second assignment. It is based on two poems. One is Dust of Snow, another one is Fire and Ice. First, let us see the poem Dust of Snow question and answers. First main, choose the correct answer and write who is the poet of the poem Dust of Snow. Leslie Norris, Robert Frost, John Keats, W.B. Yeats. Second one, name the figures of speech, poetic device used in the line and saved some part. A. Alliteration. B. Simile. C. Metaphor. D. Oxymoron. Third one, what are the two negative creatures that Proust used as carriers of positivity? Snow and dust. Second one, hemlock tree and snow. Third one, snow and crow. D. Hemlock tree and crow. Fourth question, what was saved for the poet? Crow, tree, some part of the day. Fourth one, snow. Answer the following questions. Second main it is. First one, write the summary of the poem Dust of Snow. Second one, identify the literary devices or poetic devices, means figures of speech used in the poem Dust of Snow. Now it is Fire and Ice poem question and answers. Questions. First question, choose the correct answer and write what will the world end in? A. Fire. B. Ice. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Second question, what does ice symbolizes? A. Love. B. Happy. C. Hatred. D. Violent desire. Third question, what does fire signifies or symbolizes? A. Hatred. B. Violent desire. C. Love. D. Sadness. Answer the following questions. What is the message of the poem Fire and Ice? Second question, identify the figures of speech used in the poem Fire and Ice. Write answer for these questions. I will check them when the school will reopen.